Welcome back. If you have created a YouTube channel and you wanted to upload YouTube banner and a logo for your channel, you can follow these steps. I have created the logo and the banner using the canva.com. Using the canva.com, if you click on create a design and search for YouTube banner, you will see there is a YouTube banner template which is available for you to create the YouTube banner. The preferred size for the YouTube banner is 2560 into 1440 pixels. If you are using any photo editor software, you can use this particular size, which is 2560 into 1440 pixel, and you will be able to create the banner for your YouTube channel. Also, I have a logo which is created using the same canva.com. Let me resize the browser, and so this is the logo for my channel which I have created using the same canva.com. I'll be uploading the YouTube banner and the logo for my channel. You can follow the same steps to upload logo and the banner for your channel. Log into your channel. You will be able to see there is an option which is called as customize the channel. Click on the customize channel. A new tab will be opened, and you will be able to see there is a section which is called as branding. Under the branding, if you wanted to change the logo for your channel and the banner page, you can choose any one of the section here, and you will be able to change the logo or the banner image. After selecting the option to change the logo, you can browse to the location where you have kept your logo file, and this is my logo file which I'll be uploading. I'll click on open, and if I click on done, the logo will be uploaded. Once your logo has been uploaded, click on the publish option here to publish the changes what you have done to your channel. So I'll publish. Now whatever changes you have done to your channel by uploading the logo, it has come into effect. Now I wanted to change the banner image also. Instead of change, what I will do is I will click on the remove. Now the banner image has been completely removed. There is no banner image now. I will choose the option to upload. This is the banner image which I will be uploading for my channel. Click on open. Now you will see the section which is viewable on multiple devices. This is the section what is viewable on your mobile phone, and this is the section which is viewable on all the desktop, and this is the section which is viewable on the television. If I click on done, the image will be uploaded. So done. The banner image has been uploaded, and I will click on publish so that the banner image will be uploaded and it will be visible to all the viewers. Now if I click on the logo icon here, I will be able to see the banner and the logo what I have changed.